Hello everyone and welcome to our video today on the benefits of drinking herbal tea for relaxation and health. Herbal teas have been used for centuries to promote relaxation, aid digestion, and support overall health. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of herbal teas, the different types of teas and their properties, and how to prepare and enjoy them. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Herbal teas are made from a variety of plant parts, such as leaves, flowers, seeds, and roots, and have been used for centuries for their medicinal and therapeutic properties. Unlike regular teas, herbal teas are caffeine-free and can be enjoyed throughout the day without interfering with sleep. Let's take a look at some of the benefits of drinking herbal tea. First, relaxation. Herbal teas such as chamomile, lavender, and lemon balm have a calming effect on the body and can help reduce stress and anxiety. These teas can be enjoyed in the evening before bedtime to promote relaxation and a good night's sleep. Second, digestion. Herbal teas such as peppermint, ginger, and fennel can help ease digestive discomfort, bloating, and nausea. These teas can be enjoyed after meals to aid digestion and promote healthy gut function. Third, immune system. Herbal teas such as echinacea, elderberry, and ginger contain antioxidants and immune-boosting properties that can help support a healthy immune system and protect against infections. Fourth, anti-inflammatory. Herbal teas such as turmeric, ginger, and green tea contain anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Now that we know some of the benefits of herbal tea, let's take a look at some of the popular types of herbal teas and their properties. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has a calming effect on the body and can help reduce stress and anxiety. It is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and can help support overall health. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is known for its digestive properties and can help ease digestive discomfort and bloating. It also has a refreshing and invigorating flavor. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. It can help ease nausea, vomiting, and digestive discomfort, and can also help reduce inflammation. 4. Green tea. Green tea is known for its antioxidant properties and can help support a healthy immune system. It also contains caffeine and can help increase alertness and focus. Now that we know about the benefits and types of herbal teas, let's take a look at how to prepare and enjoy them. Boil water in a kettle or pot. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried herbs or tea bags to a teapot or infuser. Pour hot water over the herbs and let steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea and enjoy hot or chilled. In conclusion, herbal teas are a great way to promote relaxation, aid digestion, and support overall health. By incorporating different types of herbal teas into your daily routine, you can enjoy a range of health benefits and promote a healthy lifestyle. So, next time you're looking for a refreshing and healthy drink, try a cup of herbal tea and enjoy the benefits. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.